Yes, as expected, COVID-19 also hit the VC investment landscape. However, the venture capital ecosystem is recovering, and we need to take into account, one, that markets had stalled but had not been materially affected. Two, the increased experience and maturity of the industry. Three, the high levels of dry powder. And four, the readiness of public policy intervention. Well, for venture capitalists, keeping setup fees and ongoing costs at a low level is critical. The possibility to market across the EU without excessive legal, regulatory or administrative burdens is another key parameter for VCs when choosing where to locate their funds. Luxembourg can certainly accommodate such needs by offering several attractive and innovative structuring tools. Luxembourg partnership structures are very successful due to their highly flexible regimes. Combined with a sub-threshold AFM, this structure provides a highly cost-effective solution. Should there be a need for the EU marketing passport, two options may be further envisaged: the EU Vika label or renting a white label fund.